Welcome to Alfonso Cajero, Power Query. Chapter 3. How to Unpivot in Power Query. Unpivoting data in Power Query allows you to transform columns into rows, making your data more manageable and ready for analysis. Here's a step-by-step guide to unpivot your data using Power Query in Excel or Power BI. Load data into Power Query. Open Excel or Power BI. Load your data into Power Query. In Excel, go to the Data tab, select Get Data, and choose the appropriate source. In Power BI, select Home, then Get Data, and choose your data source. Select your data and click Load or Edit to open the Power Query editor. Select columns to unpivot. In the Power Query editor, select the columns you want to keep unchanged. These are usually your identifier columns. For example, date, category, etc. Right-click on the selected columns and choose Unpivot Other Columns. This option will unpivot all columns except the ones you have selected. Alternatively, if you want to unpivot specific columns, select the columns you wish to unpivot. Right-click on the selected columns and choose Unpivot Columns. Adjust column names if needed. After unpivoting, you will see two new columns, Attribute and Value. Rename these columns if necessary by double-clicking the column headers and typing the new names. Apply and close. Once your data looks correct, click Close and Load, Excel, or Close and Apply, Power BI, to load the transformed data back into your worksheet or Power BI model.